Hi everyone, this is Advitya. I had been looking for a good and long-lasting smartphone. So 2 weeks ago, I bought this Redmi 9A. Let me share its details with you. The Aura 360 design philosophy lends the phone a great finish. It has an anti-splash feature. It takes its processing power from a Mediatek Helio G25 octa-core processor. The phone is also equipped with 2GB RAM and 32GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 512GB. It has a 6.53-inch HD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen which delivers a 1600 by 720 pixels resolution. At the back, the phone is equipped with a 13-megapixel rear camera with features such as AI Portrait, AI Scene Recognition, HDR and Pro Mode. The phone also has a 5-megapixel front camera for clicking selfies. The Redmi 9A takes its power from a 5000 mAh lithium polymer large battery which is charged by 10-watt fast charger. The phone is available in two RAM variants, 2GB and 3GB. It is also available in two color variants, sea blue and nature green. This smartphone is ideal for everyday use and has some great features.